What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to TechMan. Our topic for today is all about how to swap USDT to Ton and Tonkeeper wallet this 2024. This will be very quick and easy, so make sure to watch the video until the end and follow along. Let's begin by opening the Tonkeeper app. In the Tonkeeper app, tap the Swap tab below the Send tab. In the Swap tab, tap Select in the Receive section. This is where you can select a token. Tap on the search bar and type Ton. After you find a Ton token, tap on it. Now type the value in the Send section, -10. So as you can see, the Ton value automatically appears where this is the value of Ton you can get like mine. And that's it. That's how to swap USDT to Ton and Tonkeeper wallet.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.